Una welcome to weekly shikini educational news for the first week for 2018. The year don dey carry style, dey get beer dey hold be that o. Make we for no loss, na the koko for the educational news for today be this. My name na still Babed, the guy wey dey give the amebo give you hot. One ogbonge YouTube channel wey dem dey call Study in Pidgin don comot. We also hear say federal government don stanza say state of emergency go dey education sector by April this month. As we dey hear say Fulani herdsmen and farmers dey clash, Study in Pidgin special today go yarn how we go take solve this problem with the use of education. We go come close the news with interview with one ogbonge programmer wey im name na Lekon. He go tell us the new idea wey he don bring come. Na amebo make churches know say dem wan kill am o. So make we balance sit down dey hear the confirmed education amebo wey I bring come today o. Oya now make we hear the details. One YouTube channel don land for we domot wey im name na Study in Pidgin. This channel talk say dem go dey give better educational videos dem for accounting, banking, software development and plenty like that. True dem no lie o, as dem don release 2 videos already for accounting for Pidgin language. People don dey like every for the channel. One girl wey im name na Bexley Daniels for YouTube even comment say nice one. We could just dey hope say Study in Pidgin go continue with these better videos wey dem dey give us. Another tori wey hit us this week like koboko na the one wey federal government talk. Dem say lie we no go gree. Our educational sector no fit be like this na. Which kind of parole be this wey schools for Naija go just dey anyhow? Na Malam Adamu talk this one. The Minister of Education say dem go declare wetin oyibo dey call state of emergency by April for all states for education. Make Adamu do quick with emergency because na education na im dey make country better o. We no fit dey continue like this o. Our schools every gats make sense. Study in Pidgin special na im be. For the Study in Pidgin special today, we go dey look at this Fulani herdsmen issue and how we go fit resolve this issue kpata. After we gather read book, look wetin dey happen, especially for those northern side dem, Benue dem, we come realize say wetin we even dey look for Sokoto actually dey our Sokoto. The Fulani herdsmen issue na small thing o, as long as e never dey political. The simple solution na to introduce wetin oyibo dey call RFID. This RFID mean radio frequency identification system. Once herdsman abi farmer, you don know say na graze one dey graze o, him go register the cow abi the animal for government database. Na this database RFID go come use dey work. This RFID e fit track any animal with RFID tags. This tag e go dey the bolus e get one place for stomach for cow wey dem dey call bolus. That thing no go affect the way the cow go taste o, e go still make sense. In fact, this thing wey I dey talk, nobody go fit see am, na microchip. With this thing wey we insert, you go fit track the cow. You go fit know the cow wey spoil one agric product. You go fit know the cow wey trespass. You go fit know the farmer wey dey do one cow. So records go dey, we go fit monitor this parole well. So if person pass him boundary, person go know say yes, na this guy do am, no na this guy do am. So if you wan even do bad thing sef, you go don think twice before you do am. And the Study in Pidgin special today o, we hope say government go hear our talk and implement this RFID system. Interview time don come. Hello?
Yeah, how far now?
Mr. Lekon, wetin be this your idea? This your programming idea?
Yeah, this idea is the, you know, say we dey always watch all the Yankee movies now. They watch the way that they use tech disturb us for Nigeria for all of us. I found out that they do am. So we just feel say more use our knowledge about tech now, more use improve storytelling, more increase the way, more improve storytelling for Nigeria, make them enjoy it for Nigeria the way they do it for Yankee.
So now go dey do all those she carry more slow motion thing with
kind thing is like
design abi una go dey clone software abi.
No.
But that one na better thing o.
Na better, my brother.
How this one go come help Nigeria like this?
This one go help because you know see people go wan watch now. You know all these young people dey do am. People go wan watch say okay how Nigerians dey do am too. How all these things now. So other countries sef go they go wan check the way Nigeria dey do am. I mean African countries they go wan check the way Nigeria dey do their own. And through that means Nigeria go get that kind of popularity from Africa, you know.
This one na better o, Mr. Lekon.
I dey tell you.
We thank you for featuring for studying pidgin today o.
Thank you my brother.
Yeah, nice one o. One na dey bring better idea Lekon.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Una don hear Mr. Lekon na the better idea with that o, dey clone software. Omo, Nigeria dey do good thing o. Na the paro we get for studying pidgin today be this. Make una bye bye o.